Here is the vision and the heart Ash has for humanity. Do you know why one of the big reasons Ash is creating something so huge to allow the 97% of people who struggle online to make a killing with OnPASSIVE? It's because this same 97% are the actual people who are the biggest and most generous philanthropists on earth, even though their contribution may seem small to others. So can you just imagine this same 97% giving back to those less fortunate when their bank accounts are full of excess money? The 3% that make a killing online are more concerned about that next million and less concerned about the less fortunate. This is why OnPASSIVE will be a household name. We will be known for the best portfolio products and services in one place for one price, and for the most generous founding member philanthropists on earth. Because Ash giving us an amazing opportunity like this on pretty much a silver platter, he will be able to create many duplicates of himself to help humanity in so many ways on a massive scale never seen before with our Oh Bless. Antonio Monk, Canada.